Hey guys, so I ordered my first squishy package. Sorry, my hair looks very funny. I'm in the laundry room. I'm not in my usual garage spot because, it's getting colder outside, so it's cold in the garage. But I'm going to show you, why do I sound nasally? I'm not even sick. I'm going to show you my DIY squishies first. And then I'll get to the squishy package. So the first thing I had is this face bun. They keep slipping, I'm sorry. This face bun. Then I also have this DIY panda bun. I'll take them both out. It's the panda bun. I made a tag. It says panda bun. Nothing else really. So yeah, it's getting really late. I don't know what time it is. It's probably check the time. It's probably getting that late. 6:18. It's later than what I usually film my videos. And anyways, this is probably my favorite DIY squishy. You're probably wondering what these out of. Well, you know, like when you go to the dollar store and if they have like those squishies, I guess I took scissors and I shredded it. You could see because of the bad cutting, and so I just used that shape. So if I wanted to make something circular like this, it was easier. I didn't have to shape it out myself, because if I did, trust me, it would be way worse than that. I actually have an example right here. This donut, I shaped it out myself. I'm trying to move it back because sometimes my videos get cropped and you can barely see what I'm holding. So I'll try to move back a little bit. That's horrible. I don't like it. Is that all I have? Oh wait, no. Okay, this is the last one. It's a watermelon squishy. This one also had a tag on it, but it fell off, so I'm not even sure what the tag is, but that's the keychain. It kept falling off, as you can see right here. It looks like someone bit it, but oh my gosh, this angle. It looks like somebody bit it right here, but trust me, no one did. That'd be really disgusting. So I had a marker on it. I used marker, by the way. The tag, I just have to keep poking holes in it to stick the tag and keychain thingy in. Just gotta put everything back. I don't know why, I just really love squishing the face bun in the packaging. It's just my favorite. Also, I'm sorry I haven't posted a video. I feel like my voice just got suddenly louder. I don't know if that's just me. But anyways, I know I haven't posted a video in a while. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. So let's get there, and then I'll probably do a dare from one of you guys, like how I did the egg at 100 subscribers. So at 1,000 subscribers, I'll probably do something like that. This disgusting, I don't even know what that is. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. I vacuum. Anyways, oh yeah, so now it's time to go to my repackage. I've only ordered 2 squishies, which are panda buns. So first is this plain panda bun. Sorry if you guys can hear the water stuff in my laundry room. This one came with a plastic bag in it, but it ripped. My sister actually ripped it, so. And it has a little thingy jiggy right here, so you can clip on keychains. I don't really like the smell. It smells familiar, like something I've smelled before. Then I have this panda bun with a pink bow. That just got louder. They came with no defects. I defected this one a little bit, like as you can see. Yeah, so far it's clean. Like no defects, clean, that's what I mean. And if you're wondering, I got this from eBay. I kept trying to find like the seller so I could like, you know, say that, give them good reviews, give them good stars, you know, give them credit and stuff. But I couldn't find them. I'm sorry, I'm probably like making the squishy fans cringe, because when you like squish, like when you like make it like a dough pancake and you like squish it like that, I hate that. I don't know why I just did it. This one is a lot more soft, if you could tell. If you guys haven't checked out my recent video, No Hands Slow-Mo Musical.ly tutorial, you should go check that out. You see this banner right here? This thing right here, I made that a long time ago. I really want to change it, so if you have any suggestions for me, or if you want to make one for me, you can send it to my Instagram direct messages at Raynae7, RAYNAE 7 on Instagram. If you want to make me a channel banner, yeah. Again, probably like when people do like that, I hate it. Why am I doing it? Why? So, once I get a lot of squishies, like, a lot, I'm gonna need a lot, to do a, squishy collection 2018, actually, Happy New Year's, guys. I missed it. It's really sad because I missed it. Like, I didn't notice that I was on the computer, and then I looked at the time, and I was like, oops, and I was like, Happy New Year, to myself. To the dog, actually, but... Okay, one more squish before I go. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this eBay package. If you guys decide to sell from buy from eBay, make sure they're a good seller, make sure there's good comments, good reviews, or else you guys probably get a defected squishy, a dirty squishy, I don't even know, something squishy that you don't want. Actually, I'm going to show you guys this. I got this. It's a Squishy Pal. It's a panda. It used to have black ears, but, like, this is gross. Like, I saw these on Instagram everywhere, and I was like, oh, I want one of those, but I doubt it's going to be as addicting as I think it, as people call it, but it's actually so addicting. The paint rubs off, like, really easily, though. Which is what all this is. It's just the paint. It's not dirt. Anyways, I should really go, guys. Thank you guys for watching, for staying here, and taking your time. Like 9 minutes, 8 minutes, but I know it's going to be 9 by the time I get finished with this intro. But, like, I thank you. Make sure you subscribe, share this video to get us to, get people to subscribe to me so we can get to 1,000 subscribers. It would be so great. I'm sorry for not posting in forever. My next video will probably be a what I got for Christmas haul. Give this video a like, and yeah, bye. Unless you give me a